Today I'm in Process Simulate to show a super useful vision feature, the camera envelope. In this scene, we have a universal robot picking parts from different bins. To make sure the camera actually sees the parts, I first create a display camera envelope. This visualizes the exact field of view of the camera. You can clearly see that this single, centrally placed camera cannot fully cover all bins in the station, so we need an alternative. So I add additional camera envelopes for the other bins. The nice thing is, display camera envelope works with multiple cameras at the same time, so you can check overlaps, blind spots, and alternative positions. With 3 cameras, each one placed directly above a bin, we now get full coverage and the robot can safely pick from every box. With the placement manipulator, I can quickly move and fine-tune the envelope until the angle and distance are correct. That way I can verify in Process Simulate, before hardware is mounted, that the camera really looks inside the bin. If you want to see more vision, robotics, and VIBN topics in Process Simulate, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok so you don't miss the next features.